All right, given this parent function, f of x, and then kind of this line here, we're asked to find these several things. Let's try this first one. It says f of 0, or find f of 0 and find f of 6. So instead of f of x, we have f of 0. That means when x equals 0, what's the y? And the y would be 0. So we can say f of 0 equals 0. And then f of 6, when I look at the 6, when x equals 6, it also is 0. All right, the second one, find f of 2 and f of negative 2. Well, when f is 2, or the x value is 2, our y value is negative 2. So f of 2 equals negative 2. F of negative 2 is going to be 1. You can tell by the points on there. How about letter C? Is f of 3 positive or negative? So let's find 3. That would be in between 2 and 4. And here you can see it's below 0, so it's going to be negative. So f of 3 is negative. All right. And then what about letter D? Is f of negative 1 positive or negative? So negative 1, again, between the negative 2 and the 0 values right here. It's above the x-axis, so it's going to be positive. So I can say f of negative 1 is positive. And then for what values is f of x equal to 0? So here we're looking for all the points where the y value equals 0. All right, and it's wherever it crosses our x-axis. So here it's the point 0, 0. So, and then 4, 0. And then lastly, it crosses our x-axis at 6, 0. Again, notice all the y's are 0 because f of x is y, and y equals 0 is at those 3 points.